guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm just gonna jump right into it. In this video, I'm going to be telling you 5 reasons why your BlendJet may not be working. If you're having problems time you open your BlendJet, or down to if you had it for a while and you're wondering like, what is going on? What am I doing wrong? Well, I'm here to tell you 5 reasons why it may not be working. The number 1 reason that I see a lot of times that our BlendJet is not working is because it's not fully charged. Of course, you want to charge your BlendJet whenever you get it. Whenever you get it in the mail, sometimes, like I said in previous videos, when you first get your BlendJet, sometimes it may be charged, sometimes it may not. But you want to fully charge it for at least an hour, hour and a half. That gives it a full charge. A full charge will give it at least 15 blends of blending whatever you need to blend. But you want to make sure that it's fully charged before you operate it, because if not, it's not going to work. It's going to turn red and you're gonna be like, hold on, now I just got it, like why is it not working? Check to see if it's charged first. That's the first thing I would think to do. If it's not working, if it's red, it's blinking, let me charge it and see if that's what the problem. So number 1, it may not be charged. Okay, the second reason why your BlendJet 2 may not be working is because the arrows are not aligned. Now, I'm just going to untwist this just to show you guys that the light will come on. As you see, it's red. It lets you know that it's not together. It lets you know. And for anyone that is wondering, it will not blend with the top off. So in case some of you think that you're cleaning it and you misimpress it, that the blades will spin, no, it will not work when the top is on. You have to align and put your jar back on in order for it to work. In order for it to work correctly. So your alignment with your arrows may not be aligned. You want to take the arrows. Now, I don't know if you all can see it here. If you check this video out here, you will see how I align the jar and the base together. There's an arrow on it. You want to take, if I can find it on here. Okay. The arrow is right by the jar, is right by the numbers, the measurement for your ounces. So it's right at the bottom. You're going to look for it on the base and make sure that the arrows are aligned. And once you get it on there, you'll start to see the light flash again like it just did. And once it is aligned, once I got them aligned, I don't know if y'all can see that, but once the arrow is aligned, you're ready to blend. Okay, so check that as well when your BlendJet is not working. Make sure that your arrows are aligned. Number 3, the third reason why your BlendJet 2 may not be working is because whenever you put in your product, whenever you put in your smoothie, your fruits, whatever you want to put in to the blender, and you may have an object stuck in the bottom of the blade, and if something is caught in between it, it will stop and it'll blink red. That lets you know, I think red, but that lets you know that there is an object stuck under it. What I usually do when that happens is I will turn it upside down, shake it some to see if the fruit or whatever is caught up under it will come down. I'll shake it some and blend, then turn it back over. Sometimes that works. If it doesn't, you may need to take a fork and take your top off, go in there and just, move the object from up under the blade. Put the top back on, continue blending. That may be your problem. It was the object that was stuck up under the blade that is holding up you making your beautiful smoothie or whatever you're trying to make. So just check that. Just let you know that could be it. Again, if it's under the blade, once you start blending and it stops, just turn it over, just give it a good shake, blend, turn it back over, and sometimes it works. If it doesn't, take the top off, get a fork or some kind of object to get the object from up under it and continue blending. So that may be a reason why your BlendJet not working. The 4th reason why your BlendJet 2 may not be working is because you may have too much inside of your jar. Now, I've done this plenty of times where I have put too much inside of my jar. For you to be able to not overfill it, what you want to do is put your fluid in first. Now, I would put my fluid maybe 8 ounces or 6 ounces, however you want, but do not overfill it. You don't want to put your fluid up to 14 ounces and then try to put your fruits in or try to put whatever inside, and then you know, it start overspilling, and then you try to put the top on and blend. It's not going to do it. It'd be too much of a capacity inside of this jar. So what you want to do, at least put 6 to 8 ounces, I say, of fluid first. Whatever fluid you would like to use, almond milk, whole milk, coconut milk, water, whatever you want to use, you put that in first. That's your base. Then you want to add in your frozen fruit, whatever you have, whatever you want to put inside. Then you blend. But you do not want it to go all the way to the top, because like I said, it will cause it to overfill and it was just not spin. I've done that plenty of times and I learned my lesson. So I'm here to tell you guys not to do it as well. Yeah, so that's the 4th reason why your BlendJet may not be working. So the last and 5th reason that I think that your BlendJet may not be working, after you've done tried everything, after you've done charged it fully, after you've done aligned the arrows, after you made sure that the object wasn't up under the blade, you made sure that it wasn't filled to the top, and it still won't work. You guys, it may just be a malfunction that needs to be sent back to BlendJet. To me, I feel like it's not that difficult, because I wouldn't worry myself so much of, why is this thing not working? Why is it not working? I've tried everything. Okay, maybe it may be a malfunction. I'm going to contact BlendJet. Contact BlendJet support. I think it's support.blendjet.com or maybe supportblendjet.com. I would reach out to them and let them know, hey, I just received my BlendJet and I only had it this long, or how, you know, I just received it. I just got it yesterday and it's not working. I've tried everything and it's not working. I would reach out to them. These are a money back guarantee. So you guys, they can replace it or they give you your money back. That's all you got to do. I would rather get another one or get my money back than sit and worry about why my BlendJet 2 is not working. You can reach out to someone for help. It may be a malfunction. It happens. You know, these things are made in a factory. They're not always perfect. But like I said, sometimes it's just a malfunction with the blender and you may need to contact and get another one or get your money back. Okay, so please don't stress about it. I've seen a lot of comments and I've seen people post about, why is my BlendJet not working? Contact BlendJet and let them know, because you bought it and you expect for it to work correctly. If it don't work correctly and you tried everything that they say to do, everything that someone give you an idea to do, and it's just still will not work, let them know and they can be able to refund your money or send you a replacement. So please make sure you contact them, let them know so they can give you a new one or give you your money back. Okay, so you guys, that's going to be it for this video. It was quick, simple, to the point. I just wanted to tell you guys some of the tips that has helped me with my BlendJet 2, because like I said, I've had problems too. I'm like, hey, why my BlendJet is not working? Like, come on now, it should be working. It's brand new. Why is it not working? So some of these things you may have to do and you get back to using your BlendJet 2. I hope this video has helped someone. Again, I'm always here to help ones that need help with their BlendJet 2. Like I said, you guys, I'm not an expert. I don't make these blenders. I don't work for BlendJet, but these are something that I use, you know, and if I know some things, I want to teach you guys and show you all so that it can make life a little bit easier, you know. That's why we get on YouTube. We check, find out things, learn how to do things. So that's why I'm here on this channel, to help anybody with the BlendJet 2 or whatever product or whatever thing that I'm doing. I'm here to help you guys. So that's what I'm here for. And I thank you guys for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love that you would subscribe to my channel. Follow me as I give you guys information about the BlendJet 2, or like I said, whatever product I'm doing and in my life. And I would appreciate it. And also give this video a big thumbs up. It will help others as well that don't understand what's going on with that BlendJet. So that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.